So I wanted to discuss a model's diet diary. What do models eat? Well, contrary to popular belief, models eat a lot. At least Indian models तो eat a lot. और अगर opportunity मिल जाए कि free का खाना है तो Indian models तो छोड़ती ही नहीं है. What basically a model's diet diary consists of is a lot of food, and it doesn't stop them from having desserts, meetha, fried, dal, roti, naan, carbohydrate rich food. Nothing stops them. I mean, you should really see the way models eat. So there are a lot of models diet secrets are available in the markets. A lot of models I know abroad, they only survive on baby food, because baby food is obviously easy to digest and it's light in calories. It's not that heavy. There's nothing fried in it, there's nothing meat in it. So they actually get these containers of Heinz or Gerbers or Nestle, like these small containers, and they survive on those containers of baby food. So that is one sort of diet which I totally don't recommend, because baby food, of course, it's not really for an adult digestive system. An adult digestive system needs a lot more heavy kind of food, and you don't need to rely on baby food, because baby food is for babies. It's not for adults. And the second thing, obviously, the second kind of diet which is very popular, and it is being made popular by Miranda Kerr, who is a supermodel, and she's the recent face of Mango. And a model's diet usually consists primarily of a lot of water and a lot of crash dieting also. So the grapefruit diet is very popular. Basically, what you do is that you just survive on grapefruit the whole day. When these foreign models come to India now, because obviously आजकल तो foreign models are everywhere. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि इंडिया में सिर्फ इंडियन मॉडल्स यूज़ होती हैं. आप जो बड़ी बड़ी होर्डिंग्स देते हैं जिसमें आप फॉरेन मॉडल्स देखते हैं, वो एक्चुअली यहाँ पे शूट हुई है. वो कहीं बाहर शूट नहीं हुई है, को बाहर जाके उन्होंने मॉडल्स नहीं हायर करी हैं. इतनी सारी फॉरेन मॉडल्स, बी ब्राज़ीलियन, इटालियन, रशियन, रोमेनियन, ऑल ऑफ दीज मॉडल्स कम टू इंडिया स्पेशली फॉर अबाउट 2-3 months. I know so many foreign models who obviously didn't go back, who just ended up staying here because they loved India and they love Indian food. And I notice that they get fatter every time I see them, because obviously they love the curries, they love the dal roti sabzi, they love the rice. और वहाँ abroad क्या खाना मिलता होगा उनको? सब्जी और एक चिकन ब्रेस्ट, फिश देते होंगे साथ में, चिकन ब्रेस्ट और उबले आलू. यही होता है ना खाना वहाँ पे. So their food is not very rich. Our food is very rich inherently. So it's time for me to say bye bye, and I'm going to see you guys very soon.